Hello, today we're going to walk through how to take ticket sales information from TidyHQ and bring that into Google Sheets. So to start with, let's create a Zap. And for our trigger, let's use TidyHQ. And the event is whenever a set of tickets are purchased. We'll link our account. And now we'll test this trigger so we have the fields from TidyHQ to use for our later actions. Cool. Let's select this first one. And now we want to bring this data into Google Sheets and create a new row, linking your account. Now I have this ticket information spreadsheet set up for this app with a name, email, the number of tickets purchased, the event it's for, and a timestamp. So I'm going to use my Google Drive and we'll search for ticket information. And we'll just use sheet 1 or the default sheet. And now let's bring in that data from TidyHQ. So the buyer name, the email, the number of tickets they purchased, the event this is for, which is community picnic, and lastly the timestamp. Let's continue and test this out. Wonderful, so that's now being brought into Google Sheets. If you want to convert this timestamp into something a little bit more readable, you can use the epoch to date function, which will put it in a nice human readable format. But let's jump back to Zapier. Now this is great, but this will insert a new row for any event. So if we want to add a filter, we can add a filtering step. So let's add a step between our trigger and our Google Sheets action and use this filter step. And let's use the event name. And we want to know when this exactly matches community picnic. And you can change this for whatever event you'd like, but for this example, I'm going to use community picnic. We'll continue. And you can test that in this case, this app would trigger because the ticket purchase was for the community picnic event. If I change this to something different, like a hockey game, for example, you'll see that it will fail, and it means that the information wouldn't be inserted into Google Sheets. So you can change this as needed. I'm going to put it back to community picnic. And if you're happy with everything, the last thing to do is to name our Zap. So let's go to the top and call this create new Google Sheets rows for ticket purchases. And that's it. The last step to do is to publish your Zap, and then whenever there are ticket sales from TidyHQ, that will be brought into Google Sheets. And you can optionally add filtering to only bring in specific events.